Okay, so hello there everybody. Today we are gonna be learning how to make a Discord bot for Mac. This is the new Mac OS version because most of the videos are very old and from like 2017 and stuff. Now I have all of the links here. You're gonna find them in the description. Don't worry. So first things first, what you need to do is to go to Discord Developers Application. This is where you're going to be able to create your bot. Now I already have a bot and it's already running right here for my server. So you need to first of all choose a name for him. We're going to call him Humpty. Why, I don't know. We're gonna also, you can also add a picture. I don't know. You can, I don't know, maybe choose this picture because sure, why not? We're gonna save the changes right here. Then you need to open Discord and you need to add this bot to your Discord. And you can also, I'm gonna create my own server right now so that we can add it to Discord. Now you need to put a bot in your Discord bot basically. So just click this thing, boom, you got yourself a bot. It's as simple as that. Now we're gonna go to Discord and we're gonna create ourselves another server. We're gonna create a server. It's gonna be okay, sure, and the server name is test because we're testing this bot on this server. And there we go. We're on our server. We're the only one here. I don't know why I'm here. Okay. So we take this token, go in here. We go to, where is that? There we go. We go to this link. We copy this. This link is basically so that you can put your bot in your Discord server. So you go into the bot, you copy the client ID, the one that's right here. Just have to copy it correctly. It says client ID. I just deleted the word client ID. Like client ID equals. You don't have to copy that thing. You have to copy the client ID. So there it is. That's our bot. And then we have to select the Discord, and it's gonna be test Discord. We have to select the server, and it's gonna be test. And because the permission of the bot equals 8, it means that it has administrator on it. So we're gonna put that on so that it's able to send messages and stuff like that. Then we click I am not a robot, and if it says authorized, if you went here, look, the bot is now here. But of course he's offline because we have to create the code for it, and that's way more easier than we think. Okay, so first of all we need to go here to the desktop and create a new folder. You can just call this folder everything. We're gonna call him Humpty bot. There we go. This is gonna be our bot. Then go into, okay, not this. We're gonna terminate our old bot and we're gonna go back to this thing right here and we're gonna open it here. Now what you have to do is type cd space, and then you take this, drag it here and place it here, press enter, and now it's registering this file. Everything in this file you're able to edit from right inside here. Then you go in here and you type this command, npm init. You take it, copy it, just paste it, and boom. You have to wait a little bit while it installs all the files and stuff. Then you just press enter a bunch of times, and then it says, is this okay? And you simply type yes. You don't have to like do anything here. You can change the description and stuff like that, and the scripts. You don't have to actually do this. You can also add the author name if you want, but I just press enter. I don't really care about it. So now the bot package is done. What you have to do is to install the rest of the packages. To do that, you have to do this command again. So you copy, you go in here, type this, press enter, and it's gonna take a little bit while it loads. And then you're gonna see it loading right here, and then there's an error. Is that an error? Huh? What was wrong? Oh, okay. So this is the problem right here. There is this, and then this. There we go. Then put save discord.js. So that was basically the error. There was just there was only one dash. It should be two. I'm gonna add. Oh, they're both mixed into one. There we go. Now there shouldn't be anything wrong with your place. when you're downloading it. And there we go, 0 vulnerabilities. It's all good. There is no problem. Now, if you open this file, you got everything you need inside right here. Now, you need to download Atom. Make sure, if you want, you can download it before. There is no problem. So you basically go right here in the link, which is in the description, and you go and download Atom from this place right here. You click it, and then you can press download, and it downloads. Now, I already have Atom right here, as you can see right here. So I'm not gonna do it. You also need to download node.js. Now I'm gonna click it, and it's gonna take me to somewhere else. I don't know what. Wait a second. There we go. And then you can just click download, and Node is basically what's gonna be running your command. This is a software which is gonna be running your command. It's very easy to use, so don't worry. So you got where were we? Okay, so you got your Node to run the command, and you got your Atom. Now, of course, you're wondering. I already told you what Node does. You're wondering what Atom does. Basically, you open you open these, and it opens on a welcome guide. Now, we don't want that. We're gonna click Open Project. Open a project. And then you have to select which document we want to open in. We're gonna open in here, and then there we go. We're gonna create a new file, and we're gonna call it index.js. And now, if you want to Humpty, index.js is right here. So basically, what this thing does is it makes your life way more easier with commands. If you try to like go into the terminal and type the commands by yourself, it's gonna tell you nothing works. And if you try to make this file by yourself using text edit, like imagine you went to text edit and like imagine we're typing a bunch of files, and then we took text edit and we changed it to the .gs instead of the other one, and then we took that and placed it here. That won't work. That will tell you that it's not working. I don't know why it didn't work with me. I don't know if it worked with you, but basically, what you need to do is you need to go to this website first of all. You need to copy this, and then we need this thing still here. We're gonna paste it here, and then you have to scroll down a little bit, and you have to copy this example usage right here. Copy it, as easy as that. Go into Atom and paste. Now you see this place here. It says token. We want you to delete this, and we want you to go to your bot. No. We want you to go to your bot and copy your token and paste it right here. Then here's where the fun part happens. This is the token of your bot, means that it's gonna log in to this bot. So I'm gonna explain this part to you. It's gonna so the client, which is the guy on your server, example me, sends a message. If the message says ping, your bot will respond with pong. You can change these, I don't know, as much as you want, but first of all, just to show you that everything is working just fine, we're gonna terminate this. We're gonna save this file. And now, to be able to run your bot and to take your bot online, what you have to do is go into here, type cd, press a space, go into this, and drag Humpty bot in here, and then it gives you the directory to it. Then you press enter, just like that. Then what you have to do is type node. That's why we need node. We need the node command. Space index.js. Press enter. It will freeze for a little bit. You can see this here, which means it's working. And there we go. It says Humpty has logged in and it's online. Now, if we sent a message saying ping, it will respond with reply pong. So that's basically it. Now, of course, you can change this as much as you want, but first of all, we have to terminate this. There is no problem. You can change it while it's on. Like, for example, if you said hello, if you say, I will say like, hello there. Hello, how are you doing? if I know how to type correctly. Now we can save this. You see, we can save it. But if we went here and type hello, nothing will happen because it's already running. You have to terminate this, which is the annoying part because I keep trying it out, putting command, trying it out, putting command, trying it out. But don't worry, the results are definitely worth it. What you have to do is redo everything. Take this command, take this folder, do this node index.js, and boom, that's it. Now, if you went back to your Discord server and type hello, see, it responds by hello there, how are you doing? Exactly what we wrote right here. Now, of course you're wondering, I don't want, what if we typed something else like hi, yeah, support, support. I know how to type help, I don't know, a command, help. Nothing happens because in the bot there is only one message. Now of course you're asking yourself, but I don't want one message, what's the use of that? So I'm gonna teach you right now how you're gonna be able to put yourself more than one message. And believe me, this is one of the most easiest things that has ever happened in your life. Don't think this is hard or anything. So as I already explained, if the guy sent hello, the bot is gonna reply with hello there. Now you're gonna type else if. So if he sent this, he's gonna send that, or not, he's gonna, you open the parentheses, you like msg.content is, so if he sent this, he's gonna respond that. But if he sent this, for example, I am doing good, how about you? Then you open these columns, I don't know what they're called, okay, I'm sorry. And then look at the thing. When you open parentheses, it's immediately in the middle, so you don't have to like go and to the right or the left. Same thing here. You open these and you immediately press enter, and then you type msg.reply. Then you open the parentheses, you type your message, but make sure you place these two, I don't know what they're called. I'm not sure what they're called, to be honest. Okay, I'm not English. I'm not sure what they're called. I forget. Always forget. So you open these and you type, how about I am doing good. Thanks for asking. Okay, that's an example, and boom, that's it. Save the file, just like that. Then you terminate this. Then you do the same thing again. CD, the bot, node index.js. Take some time. There we go. If you did anything wrong, by the way, a bunch of text show up, and then this thing doesn't work. If there isn't a dot here, it means that it's not working. And if it gave you a bunch of messages, it should like give you this sign saying up here, like for example, a bunch of line commands, and then it says up here is the wrong thing. So it shows you where you made a mistake in your coding. So now it's on. Now we can just do this again. Hello. Hello, how are you doing? We can say, wait, hold on. We can say, I am doing good. How about you? If I type this correctly, okay, I am doing good. Thanks for asking. So you can see, we can make him say multiple stuff. And of course, you're asking, okay, what if I want to add even more? Well, here's the thing. You can add as many as you want, as many else ifs as you want. Now, I don't have that many comments about this. Well, yes, I actually do have some stuff. First of all, between else if and the msg.content, there should be a space. If there isn't a space, it won't work. Make sure there is a space. But between the msg.reply and the parentheses here, the reply, there is no space. Okay? Secondly, there is a space in here. Make sure to not forget the spaces. If you ever miss spaces, it will just cancel the whole thing. Everything will just break. Make sure that the message here is in green or light green or whatever the color it is that you have, because I changed my color, my theme is a little bit different. Yours might be black or maybe white, and these things might be different. Now I choose this theme because I like the color. Now, if you don't have these things, these little columns here, if you remove them, everything will go red, showing you that from here all the way to here, everything is wrong. So you have to put these back in, and then see everything's back to being nice and green, nice colors. You can add as many messages as you want. Msg.content equals, then you open these and you type help. You can then you open these, press enter, then you type msg.reply. Then you open these, how can I help you? Of course, it's a bot. It should have everything capitalized and everything. So make sure the bot has everything capitalized. There is no problem, but I recommend you do that because it's a bot. It should be very smart and doing stuff like that. But for example, for players, when you're typing in Discord, just typing, the first letter isn't caps. It's rarely to see a player that starts every day with a caps letter. You can't find this except if you're using your mobile. So I recommend you having the msg.content never start with caps, because that got me into a few problems. So that is the bot. It's really just as simple as that. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my other bot. To do that, I'm gonna have to terminate this. I'm gonna have to open this again. Open the Finder, go to literally everything, and have to put CD, take the bot here, press enter. Now it's taking Discord bot. Then we're gonna type node index.js, and it's gonna load it. Now what I also can do is I can open a new project right here from the Discord bot, which is right here. I can open this. I can take index.js and there's this, save the changes. I'm gonna take this right here and place it right here. Can I do this? I don't know if I can do this. Like that, maybe? Okay, maybe not. Let's open it with, or the index.js, open with Atom. There we go. You can see right here I placed a bunch of commands. You might be like, oh my god, but guys, I did this. I barely know code. I don't know coding much. I know a little bit, and I was able to manage to do this much, and I can still add as many as I want. I can still add as many codes as I want. So the bot's working. If I went to the server right here, I can type, for example, Alex help, right? Is that a command which I added? Wait, is that even online? It is. I can't remember my own commands. We can type, for example, yawn, which will tell everyone that I'm sleepy. We can type, there is a bunch of commands which you can probably see here. If I type /suicide, which is also with the msg bot, if I type /suicide, he'll reply, as well as her. She'll reply as well. I can type support. This is for my friend. Now, here's the thing about it. I don't know how to return in line in these. Like you see, maybe you want to type hello. My name is Black Dead. Okay, for example, you can't do this. So I did like a little replacement for it, and basically what you do is, here's the command right here. You can msg.content just as normal, then msg.reply, and then you put this, the column, I don't know, the comma with the full stop. You put it, and then you return to the line and msg.reply, then return to the line, msg.reply. You see right here, write, return, reply the message, reply the message, that's basically what's happening here, okay? So, of course, if someone was spamming or saying something, it might become between one of these, like support. It's gonna say this. Then if I did that, you can see it becomes between these. But there is no problem. The guy is not gonna miss them because there is a reply here. So it's 100% gonna stay in his mind, and he's gonna be able to see it and get a notification about it. For example, I did the whole yes, hello, and it says hello there. You can say who owns this place, and it will say that Bunny's Meow, which is my friend, she owns this server. I made this bot for her, and yeah, it's as simple as that. Who said making a bot is this hard? Now, of course, you can do big projects like the ones with where is it? Let me find one. Like the ones with, I don't know, maybe Dank Memer, but that's not much. Maybe Pokecord. That's a big bot. Okay, so that's an example, but we don't have to do that. I'm sticking with as simple as I can for you, and yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for today's episode, everybody. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like rating down below, and I will of course see you in the next video. I'm pretty sure I covered up all the steps. Yep, I covered them all up. By the way, the commands, which are right here, the nodes and the commands with else, if, and stuff, I'm gonna write them in the description. So if you don't feel like typing them on your own, you can just copy and paste them right here. Copy and paste the command in your atom from the description, and just fill in the blanks. So yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.